Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Monsters Legends app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Monsters Legends app. Or just click on search. Then here add monsters, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. Then here, so you search here for Monsters Legends. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here a page, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.